All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. We're here with Mike Janich of Spyderco Knives, and he is going to show us this native chief knife, but it's inspired by another knife. But please take us through it.
Sure. So this is the native chief, and where this originated really was with the original native. So this design, this is the native 5. It's a 5th generation of this particular knife. And the reason that this inspired this was really because of the lock mechanism and the precision that we were able to put into the back lock. So when you take this design back, this goes back actually to the late 90s. The original prototype for the native chief also goes back to 1999. But when you look at having a blade with a longer length like this, you need to have a strong lock. And really at that time we didn't have the locking mechanism, the precision that we wanted to really be able to support blades of this length. So most of the stuff we had was shorter length. When we took the native 5 and incorporated some of the latest technology that we have as far as the precision of the back lock mechanism, what we were able to achieve was much higher lock strength, much higher reliability, and that's what actually inspired us to go back to this knife, originally prototyped in 1999 and then released just last year. And really what it is a stretched version of this. So what you have as far as overall construction, first of all, CPMS 30V stainless steel blade, full flat grind, and basically kind of a long gradual drop point profile. It has an index finger choil, so it's what we call a 50-50 choil that allows you to choke up on the knife so you can grip it here for detailed work near the heel of the edge, or if you prefer to grip back here and use more leverage, you can work it that way as well, but it gives you that option as far as your grip location. The back lock mechanism, as you can see here, you got a solid stainless steel back spacer here, and then you have the back lock, and the fit and finish of this is just wonderful. It gives you jimping up near the thumb ramp here, gives you a solid purchase. There's also jimping on this 50-50 choil, so when you grip it this way, you got really nice texture here. And this is a linerless construction, so you notice there's no stainless steel liners in this. This is just G10 on each side, so it's a fiberglass epoxy laminate with a peel ply texture on each side. 4-position clip, so tip up, tip down, left or right side carry, and what you'll see is that there are threaded inserts in each one of these locations. So instead of threading into the G10 itself, you're actually going into metal inserts that make sure that you have a good solid anchor for the clip. Supports tip up, tip down, left or right side carry. The design is completely symmetrical, so you notice that the trademark Spyderco hole is accessible from both sides of the knife, so left or right hand friendly. Allows easy one-hand opening, and it allows you to open the knife with a variety of different opening methods. So unlike a thumb stud, you have a variety of different methods you can use to open it up.
How'd you just do that again? You just flipped it open? Yeah.
So that's called a spider drop opening, basically gripping the hole here and swinging the handle down to open it that way.
One more time.
So if you're carrying from a tip-up position in the pocket this way, it would open this way. Okay.
Very interesting.
So basically what it is literally taking a native 5, which is one of the most refined backlock mechanisms that we've ever produced, taking that and stretching it out into the native chief. So for larger hands, for people who can use a little bit longer blade, or for tasks that require a little bit longer blade, it just gives you more of a good thing.
Very cool. And and I should mention that I actually carry this knife. I love it. It's large yet lightweight.
Yes.
And it's just very thin in your pocket and lightweight in your pocket.
It's a very compact design. Given its size and everything, it is still very easy to carry.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And these two respectively retail at current time for roughly...
I'm sorry, I don't have that at the
Nah, don't worry about it. That's not a big deal. But they can look that up. And anyway, you're at SHOT Show 2020, and you are watching... Thank you, Mike, by the way.
My pleasure.
You are watching DefenseReview.com.